Want Gemini to understand what's on your screen? You can enable screen context. Here's how. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Scroll down, then tap on Screen Context. Inside, you'll see Analyze on-screen text. If the toggle is off, it will appear gray. Turn it on to enable the feature. Now, Gemini can read and understand text from your screen. This helps Gemini give more relevant answers based on what you're viewing.